When you need to find the distance of a line, make a right triangle. Add two sides. Don't you see what it do? That line's a hypotenuse with a horizontal and vertical side that comes out the blue. Horizontal leg x2 minus x1, vertical leg y2 minus y1, bam! Right triangle, holla at Pythagorean. Pythagorean, I know you probably seen it. The equation is so old, should be inside of a museum. Two legs, call them A and B, joined together at 90 degrees. Opposite the corner, hypotenuse, usually gets a C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. See, there's Pythagoras. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. See, there's Pythagoras. Now we use the known to solve for the unknown. Algebra the problem until we done so plug in A and B. Then we find the squares, then we sum them up, but C squared is still there on the other side of the sign. So square root on both sides, power 2 goes firefly, and the C gets simplified. And I'm out, and I'm out, yo I'm out, yeah I'm out.